Hey friends, if you wish to fix volume mixer not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to run the audio troubleshooter. So how would you do that? Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. Select troubleshoot in the right pane. Select other troubleshooters. Click on run corresponding to the audio troubleshooter. The next solution is to update the audio drivers. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Device Manager. Expand the list for audio inputs and outputs. Right click on the first one and select Update Drivers. Right click on the second one and then select Update Drivers and update all of them. The next solution is an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. The last solution is a system restore. Search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Click on open system restore. Click on next. Choose a good restore point. Click on next. Click on finish and then finally click on yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.